The third product on this list is the EEZTIRE TPMS PRO. For RV enthusiasts in pursuit of safety and peace of mind on the open road, this is the premier choice. Packed with a comprehensive array of features, this system truly excels in ensuring your tires remain in peak condition. Equipped with a 3.5-inch color display and 6 sensors, this TPMS system effectively monitors your RV's tires. And for those with larger RVs or trailers, the option to include a booster extends the transmission signal range. What sets the EEZTIRE TPMS PRO apart is its remarkable capability to handle up to 26 tires simultaneously, catering even to the grandest rigs. The sensors provide real-time tire pressure and temperature data, delivering updates every 6 seconds to keep you promptly informed. Adding to its charm, the system boasts a motion-sensitive display that conserves battery life during RV standstills. It's user-friendly and can be powered via USB, granting up to 60 hours of usage on a single charge. Of particular note, the EEZTIRE TPMS offers low and high pressure alarms, air leakage alerts, and temperature monitoring. With a wireless range of 60 feet extendable with the booster, it guarantees dependable performance even for sizable vehicles. All in all, this unit stands out as the premier choice for safety-conscious RVers, offering advanced monitoring and customizable features tailored to your specific needs. Its pros are: it provides real-time monitoring of tire pressure and temperature, enhancing safety on the road. It offers adjustable high and low pressure alarms, air leakage warnings, and temperature monitoring, allowing users to tailor alerts to their preferences. And it can last up to 60 hours on a single charge and can be conveniently powered via USB. However, it may require additional sensors for larger vehicles. The EEZTIRE TPMS PRO is the ideal choice for RVers and travelers seeking comprehensive tire monitoring for enhanced safety on the road, thanks to its real-time pressure and temperature alerts, user-friendly display, and extended wireless range.